Easy crochet cat bookmark. Perfect for book lovers everywhere. Such a cute two-color gift idea, with the sweetest curly tail. It's beginner-friendly, easy to follow, and will use a 2.5mm crochet hook. All right, let's start with the cat face, and begin with a magic ring. Chain 2. Now work 12 half-double crochets into the ring. Take your time here. Nice and even. Looking really cute already. After your 12 stitches, pull the magic ring closed. Slip stitch into the top of the first chain to complete the round. Chain 2. Now work 2 half-double crochets into each stitch around for a total of 24. Slip stitch to the first chain to complete the round. Chain 2. For this round, repeat 2 half-double crochets, then 1 half-double crochet, all the way around. You'll have 36 stitches. If you'd like to make this later, save this tutorial now, so it's easy to find again. At the end of the round, slip stitch into the first stitch to complete the round. Chain 7. Now, one of the cutest details starts to take shape. Skip 2 stitches, then make 5 slip stitches across. Chain 7 again. Skip 2 stitches, then work single crochets all the way around until you reach the chain space. When you reach the chain space, don't count that slip stitch there. Now work 1 single crochet into each of the first 3 chains. Tell me in the comments, would you make this for yourself or as a gift for a fellow book lover? Now work 2 single crochets into the 4th chain. Then work 1 single crochet into each of the remaining 3 chains. And just like that, the first ear is done. Now slip stitch across those next 5 stitches. Now repeat the same steps for the second ear. First, work 3 single crochets. Then work 2 single crochets into the 4th chain. Then work 3 more single crochets. The cat face is almost done now, and it's looking really sweet already. Then slip stitch into the top of the first single crochet to complete the round. Chain 1, cut the yarn, and weave in the end from the back as neatly as you can. Now, cut about 1.5 meters of yarn in the same color and fold it in half. Attach the yarn from underneath, right at the center, between the 2 ears. Now, chain to your desired bookmark length. I'll make a total of 62 chains. The chains are done now, and I still have a piece of yarn left. Here you can see 2 strands of yarn. Now insert your hook under just 1 strand. Into the 3rd chain, you can work 3 half double crochets, or 3 single crochets. Now let's make that curly tail section. Such a cute little detail. Work 3 half double crochets into each chain, for as many chains as you like. I'll work 3 half double crochets into each of 15 chains. Keep carrying that extra yarn underneath for a bit, so the bookmark feels more secure. Now we've made 3 half double crochets into each of those 15 chains. And just like that, it twists on its own and forms that cute curl. Now slip stitch into each chain, all the way back to the base. Then make 1 more slip stitch right into that base point. Chain 1, cut the yarn, and weave in the end from the back. Now let's make the little bow using a second color. For the bow, start with a magic ring. Chain 3, into the ring, work 2 double crochets, chain 3, then slip stitch. Now repeat the same steps again. Chain 3, work 3 double crochets into the ring, chain 3, and slip stitch. If you enjoy cute beginner crochet projects, please give this video a like. It really helps me out. Chain 1, leave a little tail, and cut the yarn. Tighten the magic ring, then shape it into a little bow. Now attach the bow, right where the face meets the bookmark chain. You can sew it or glue it in place. I'll use a clear drying glue to attach mine. Once the bow is attached, we can embroider the mouth, the nose, and the whiskers. Insert your needle through that center point and start embroidering. While I finish these little face details, tell me in the comments which color you'd choose, and don't forget to subscribe for more cute crochet tutorials. After the embroidery is done, for the final step, attach black safety eyes, or black beads like these. And just like that, our cat bookmark is complete. And here's how the gray version turned out. So pretty. I really love it. And that's everything for this tutorial. Before you go, Please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next crochet tutorial. Take care, my friends, and happy crocheting!